Hi, this is Mr. Y, the creator behind Truality.Wallet.me. I want you to know I am working very hard to fix any issues you might be experiencing with the app. Please be patient and keep sending feedback. Your input helps me pinpoint where the problems are, so I can make your experience smoother. The best part? The free tier will stay free forever, and soon I'll be offering upgrade options for even more helpful features. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to the Truality.Finance platform for everything personal finance, budgeting, and smart money tips. Thanks for being part of this growing community. I'm here with you every step of the way. Images are for representation. Product may vary in color, texture, or design. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.Finance and my other channels, Truality.Legalese, .mental, and .unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to stop by my central platform, Truality.Finance.